up, guys? What's going on? I know it's been a minute. I know it's been a while. It's been like 2 weeks. No, it's been like a week with no content, but back at work. I was a little sick, and things are starting to pick up. So, again, you know, you guys seeing me through the subframe. Subframe came out beautiful. Look at this. Now it's like fully dry now. As guys can see, I'm gonna take this tape off. I think it looks good. So I'm gonna just take the tape off all of this because obviously, you know, gotta get painted. So I picked up the paint for the car. So you guys can't see, I could show you guys this because you guys can't see it, but the paint is underneath this one. But this is like the hardener, reducer, clear coat, and the paint which is down there, which I won't show you guys because I want to do like a whole color reveal. But yeah, things has been slow, but they're starting to pick up. So for sure next week, Saturday or Sunday, I'm gonna be painting this engine bay. I spoke to my painter, whatever. So we were gonna go and bring this car to the paint shop where I got it painted at, but they have too many cars there, and since I'm only gonna get my engine bay painted, he's gonna come to me. So my dad has a compressor in his job, so we're gonna get the compressor from his job. I have a tent also, so I'm gonna set the tent up around here and then cover the sides, so nothing will fall on it. And then on the floor, what I'm gonna do on the floor is I'm gonna just wet the floor. I'm gonna have the floor completely wet, so when he spray paints, no dust or anything picks up. I mean, if you guys know about paint or anything, you guys know that even if you have a booth, most places wet the floor just in case they have like a little bit of dust or anything, it doesn't kick up. So I'm gonna be doing that next week. The motor, my crank just came back, so my crank came back good from the machine shop. So the crank is good, no bends, everything got clean, they got micro polish, everything. So motor should be getting put together hopefully next week. My friend Rich was supposed to come today, but he was busy. We're gonna be probably maybe next week or the week after, we're gonna be setting up the boost control on this. So basically we're gonna put the boost controller maybe like somewhere around here and then wire it all the way into the back, well, all the way into like the fuse box and everything. I'll show you guys that. I already got like some pigtails that I need. He has everything. He's gonna provide everything. He's gonna bring it over here, and then we're just gonna do everything here. So things are slowly starting to pick up, and I'm pretty excited. So yeah, definitely next week the engine bay is getting painted. Friday, I'm going with my boy Lulu. He's gonna tune his K hatch. He's gonna go tune it up in Long Island. So I'm gonna go to him after work. We've been planning to tune his to get a video of his car getting tuned because we haven't did a video on his car yet. So we're gonna go get his car tuned next week. But yeah, this is pretty much what's going on. And then once the engine bay gets painted, I'm gonna get rack and pinion. So rack and pinion is gonna come out. My dad's gonna change that because I don't really know how to mess with the rack and pinion. He knows how to do that shit like so good. He does them on all his vans and everything. So we're gonna do that. But besides that, everything, as you guys can see, is ready. I mean, I'm rubbing it. Let me see. Yeah, my fingers are not dirty anymore. So that means all the dust and everything is pretty much off of this thing. So obviously gotta just pass like a little bit of a like sandpaper here just to take off like some of that corrosion. Obviously that's whatever, that's fine. But yeah, hasn't been really much. I'm sorry guys, you know what I'm saying. It's been this is like the process where like I'm just, you know, you just get stuck with not being able to do a lot. So I know a lot of you guys are like, you know, kind of not, I guess, like wanting to click on the videos because of you know, there's not much going on, which I understand, because I understand once the car gets the motor in and gets everything else, people are gonna start watching. But regardless, yeah, there is a lot of like weird stuff going on with YouTube. Like I told you guys, there's other people that I know that channels are like getting a little bit of views and stuff like that. So, but you know, for the most part, we're making the best of it. And yeah, I mean, I can show you guys like the clear coat and the reducer and stuff. I don't know if I should really like show you guys. I don't want to show you guys the paint because I kind of want to like save it, you know, for next week, which I am. I'm not gonna jump to it or whatever, but this is just like a review, not a review, just like a quick catch up of what's been going on. Yeah, it's been a lot going on. I don't think this car's gonna see any shows or anything like that, or any car like car meets or anything crazy this year, to be honest, because still a lot that needs to be done. You know, it still needs to be. Still gotta take the car to go get the piping and everything done. But I'm gonna take that up to Ben, to his shop. He's gonna do everything for me at his shop, and he's gonna do the exhaust, the dump tube. He's gonna do all of that stuff for me. Yeah, man. But it's been a lot, dude. It's been a lot going on. Work, kids, having a baby. You know, it's a lot of work. So, I mean, for those of you who are here and actually watch the videos, I really appreciate you guys. I actually got to take off these windshield clouds too, and I got to take off this hood because obviously you got to get painted. But I'm gonna do that last minute because I don't want to have the hood off with no like hinges or nothing, just laying here, because I don't know if the wind is gonna blow and it'll just knock it over. And this is literally 1, 2, 3 take out. It's just, you literally just take out those clips, take the wipers out, and then I'm just gonna take the whole entire bracket off so everything can just, you know, get painted the right way. But I don't want to take it off because I feel like, what if, you know, I take it off and then the wind blows and, you know, the carbon fiber hood falls on the floor and then it's done. So we do not want that at all. Alright, so you guys know, got my stuff at Napa. But yeah, so obviously you guys know what these are. We've done, these are little filters where you put the clear coat, paint reducer, everything through here, so if it has any dirt, dust, anything, it stays in here, it catches it. So I just put that to the side. So this right here, yeah, so this right here, this is a 2K clear. 2K clear. This right here, this is the reducer, if you guys know you need a reducer. And then this is the hardener right here. This is the hardener. So I have everything. Got the thing to mix it with. And then let me just cover it up. But this is the paint right here. It's pretty big. So this is the paint right here. This thing is gonna look freaking amazing, dude. Wait until you guys see this color. It's a good color. I'm telling you, it's a good color. But yeah, I have everything here. Like I said, I'm gonna paint it back here. I have a plug there. My dad's gonna bring a compressor from his job. He has a big compressor, so we're gonna use that compressor. My painter's he's gonna get a brand new paint gun, bring his paint gun, hoses and everything. And yeah, we're basically gonna do it here. So it's a little bit more convenient for me to do it here, cause that way I don't have to tow the car, dolly, and all that stuff. It'll just stay here. So what I actually have to do also is I'm gonna get saran wrap, and I'm gonna wrap the subframe because obviously he has to paint the engine bay, and then I have to also make sure that the car is you know, has like something over it. So I'm gonna leave the car cover the way it is. I'm gonna leave the car cover on it, but I just don't want to get any type of like overspray on it. So I know for sure the car cover will be fine. The car cover will be fine. So I'm probably just gonna like end up maybe covering, maybe just like the window, just do like, you know, cover up the window a little bit, because that's gonna get painted also. Just, you know, cover that up. But besides that, I think with the car cover should be fine, because again, it's just gonna be the engine bay, stuff like that. So should be good. But I think I'm gonna end up doing that probably like one of these days when I get out of work early, like next week, probably like Thursday, maybe like Thursday when I get out of work. If I get out of work early, I'll just put the stuff there, and then yeah, we're gonna have everything ready. I gotta take all this tape off too. All this tape that's down here, I gotta take all of this off. Got a little bit of painted on the bay, but that don't really matter. It's gonna get painted over anyways. So I have some regular black paint. I think I'm gonna spray over this, just with it being black and then sanding it down a little bit, because this keeps getting corrosion on it, and I do not want to get it to get corrosion. I don't have any primer, but I know anything that covers it will be better than just leaving it exposed like this and having to sand it down every single time. So I'm going to just mainly do like that spot right there, because that's like where it has it at the most. Every other spot I could just, like, you know, just pass it once and it comes off. So I think I'm just gonna just spray that real quick with some regular black. It says resist rust. Let's see. Just so it doesn't get keep getting rusty with water and stuff. Everything else is like pretty easy to just, you know, pass it once and then the surface rust comes off. Alright, so I cleaned it up, sprayed this black right now, so now it's not gonna be getting any surface rust or anything. Did up here too also. Did here, I'm gonna just sand it down smooth. Just did here too, just so it doesn't catch corrosion, rust on it again and stuff like that. I did like over there. These little spots again are easy to do, so yeah, pretty good. I used a little wire wheel to take everything off that was there, but yeah, we're good to go. Yeah guys, so that's pretty much it for today. Just a little update, show you guys what I was doing. Did a few touch-ups. Car is definitely getting painted next week. Like I told you guys, weather is holding up, it's looking good. Saturday and Sunday, so Saturday and Sunday is gonna definitely be getting painted. Friday, look out for K2420 fucking monster street car. Shit, fucking, you guys seen this, guys. You guys seen my boy's Lulu car anyways. But yeah, so we're gonna go get that. We're gonna go get that thing tuned, and yeah, this should be a good week. And content should be coming up. I didn't even realize that summer's ending literally like next month. I mean, obviously it's still gonna be hot after that, but yeah, I gotta hurry up. But again, it's things that are out of my hands that I can't really do too much of. So yeah, should be good. That should be getting done. Send stuff out to go get powder coated, and then we're good. So thank you guys again for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Please guys like this video to let me know you guys enjoyed this video. It really means a lot to me. Make sure you turn on post notifications. Build to enjoy. Peace out.